project title is Super Cluster Head Selection in Wireless Sensor Network. Let's get into our project. Aim of our project is to minimize the energy consumption and to maximize the network lifetime. To achieve this, we are going for fuzzy based clustering process to select the super cluster head among the cluster heads. Our motivation is to overcome the problem and to enhance the network lifetime. This is our proposed system architecture. Fuzzy system 1 contains already existing parameters. Fuzzy system 2 includes our new parameters, number of relay nodes and cluster head capability. The output of these two fuzzy systems gets compared in fuzzy system 3, which gives the output difference between the existing and our proposed system. Data loss and more energy consumption are the demerits from existing system. Our first module is node creation. Here the node properties such as transmission power, receiving power and idle power will be given by the user. Network deployment is our second module. It is another major component. In this stage, each node in the network gets unique IP address. Cluster head selection is our third module. Here, based on the inputs from the fuzzy system 2, super cluster head is selected among the cluster heads in the network. Communication establishment is our final module. After the supercluster head has been selected, through that various message has been transmitted without any data loss and with minimum energy consumption. Here comes our demo video. For this, we have to open the application Xmin server. This Xmin server is the platform where we are going to give our input parameters. First, we are creating the directory. For that, we have to enter cd space double dot . Our directory name is small co. Next we have to enter cd space small co. Further we are proceeding the steps. The input values have been given. Now the simulation window will exist. This is our simulation window. Now we are going to run this application. As we said earlier, our first two modules, that is node creation and network deployment, takes place. Here we are considering only 3 clusters for our project. Now the node gets deployed. Here the brown color indicates the sensor nodes and the purple color indicates the cluster head of each clusters. The sender and receiver nodes are indicated red in color. All other nodes are the sensor nodes. Now each cluster gets sensed to find the super cluster head. The receiver moves between different clusters to find its shortest distance with the sender. After the cluster head has been detected, the sender node starts communicating with the receiver node. These are the graphs which shows the difference between the existing and our proposed system. Our first graph indicates energy efficiency analysis. And our next graph shows network lifetime analysis, which is our aim 2. Next graph is analysis of end-to-end delay. And our final graph is analysis of throughput. Conclusion of our project is, proposed algorithm was compared with 3 similar approaches, Leach, Gupta and Chef. The result is node consumes less energy and live longer.